Today, mobile security units are deployed all across the country to make communities safer, smarter, and more secure. But before a single trailer can watch over a site, it has to be built from the ground up, right here on the factory floor. First, a high-power laser cuts precise shapes from raw sheets of steel. Next, a press brake folds each piece into shape. Then, skilled welders fuse the components together, forming the unit's structural core. From there, the assemblies are cleaned, powder-coated, and cured in a massive oven, emerging with a hard, rust-resistant finish. Next, on the assembly line, technicians mount the 22-foot mast and bolt on the solar panels. Finally, the cameras, spotlights, and loudspeaker are mounted, and all systems are tested. Cut, bent, welded, coated, assembled, and configured. This unit is ready to roll out of the factory and into the field.